Assalamu alaikum to all the students. Welcome to you all. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to take our virtual lecture on English language. Okay, and we are having this revised lecture of types of sentences. You all have done this topic previously. Okay, and I hope you all remember the what are the types of sentences and how to convert one type into another, how many types we have sentences. I hope and I expect you all that you all remember that. Okay, I will first ask some questions to the students, then we will start properly or we will continue the class. Okay, yes. Rumisa Shakil, can you give me the reply? Can you answer me that how many types of sentences we have?
Yes, miss.
How many types of sentences we have? You have already done this topic, types of sentences. Tenses आप already कर चुके हैं, उसमें भी आप types of sentences को follow करते हैं, है ना?
We have
Five types of sentences. Name them. Can you give me the names of those 5 types? Yes, Romisa. Can you give me the name of those 5 types of sentences? Okay. Yes, Abil Hassan.
Yes, miss.
Yes.
Question, statement, command, exclamation,
And Acha, okay, leave. Today we are going to discuss the types of sentences which we use in the conversion of tenses also. Okay, हम आज वो वाली types of sentences, declaration, exclamation, or we are not doing that. Okay, हम types of sentences according to the tenses start करेंगे आज. Okay. अच्छा, today you are also having the mock. Okay, आपका आज mock या practice paper जिसको आप कहते हैं for finals, online virtual class में आपका वो भी होगा. तो I will be giving you some explanation about the mock. Okay, how it is also explained you. Okay, even it is already explained to you yesterday, but today I will give you some more information about that before the ending of class, before 10 minutes of ending of class. ठीक है, हम जो last के 10 minutes या 15 minutes होते हैं उसमें उसको थोड़ा सा cover कर लेंगे, so that if somebody was absent yesterday तो उसकी भी knowledge में आ जाए that how he or she is going to attempt the mock paper. ठीक है. अच्छा, now come to the topic. This is types of sentences. Okay, in this topic we will cover only 3 types of sentences: affirmative, negative and interrogative. These are also forms of sentences. ठीक है, हम इसको forms of sentences भी लेते हैं, but this is in your syllabus it is types of sentences. ठीक है, ये आपका types of sentences का topic है, and you usually change or convert one type into another. Okay, आप tenses में या typically या proper जो आपका appropriate type of sentences का जो proper question आता है, you people convert affirmative into negative, negative से affirmative और interrogative. Okay, आप इसको change usually करते रहते हैं. You all know these 3 types of sentences या forms of sentences. Okay, but sometimes we get confused. आपके level पे this is only the types of sentences. So exclamation, declaration, or what you people commanding sentences, they all are, there are so many types of sentences. ठीक है, sentences के लिए तो बहुत requesting भी होते हैं, ordered sentences भी होते हैं. We have a lot of type of sentences. ठीक है, लेकिन according to the level we usually divide them. ठीक है, so these are the types of sentences. In writing and speaking there are 4 basic types. Okay, अच्छा, वैसे तो 4 basic type है, means we have intro negative also. Okay, intro negative भी type of sentence है, but we are going to discuss here only 3. ठीक है, I am correcting over here in front of you just because you people get to know that we have different types of sentences. ठीक है, they are actually 4, but we are going to have only 3 basic types of sentences. ये हमारे 3 basic types हैं. The 4 type इंट्रोनेगेटिव we make after combining interrogative and negative. जब हम इंट्रोनेगेटिव जो बनाते हैं वो इंटेरोगेटिव और नेगेटिव को मिलाकर आपस में कंबाइन करके बनाते हैं. ठीक है, तो दिस इज द एक्चुअली 4 टाइप्स, बट बेसिक जो टाइप्स हैं वो 3 हैं, affirmative, negative and interrogative. Okay, types and forms of sentences. These different kinds of sentences in English allows us to express ourselves clearly. Okay, when वैसे speaking में तो we can show our feelings, okay, in the sentences, but in writing to show our feelings, how we are asking the question, or whether we are denying for something, or we are just telling something to someone, affirmative में हम positive में negative में, how we are how we can express ourselves clearly in writing. For these purpose we use types and forms of sentences. Using a variety of sentences in your writing will add interest and help you get your ideas across effectively. Okay, to spread your ideas, to deliver your message to the person who is listening to you, or to whom you are going to deliver, you want to deliver the dialogue, you want to deliver the message, तो उसको क्लियरली अंडरस्टैंड करना और इंटरेस्ट शो करना आपके आइडियाज को इफेक्टिवली उस तक पहुंचाने में हेल्पफुल साबित होते हैं. यूजिंग अ वैरायटी ऑफ सेंटेंसेस इन योर राइटिंग विल एड इंटरेस्ट and help you get your ideas across effectively. Means to send your ideas, to send your thoughts, to spread your effective message to the other person, to the receiver. Writing will add interest on them and it is very effectively declared. To communicate clearly, it's important to know the function of each type. Okay, you should know the each type function. Okay, just a second. Bete Usman, I will give you reply at the end. Okay, I will give you reply at the end of this lecture. Okay, last 10 minutes we will take it out and I will explain it to you. Okay, every question will be answered. Okay, don't get upset and don't get distracted from the lecture. Okay, lecture से stuck रहिए ताकि आपको ये lecture सही तरीके से समझ में आ जाए. Last 10 minutes we will find out, we will take out to tell you, to explain you about the mock. Okay. Achha. To communicate clearly, it's important to know the function of each type. Obviously, if we will not be known about the function of each type of sentence, how can we deliver the sentence? Okay. So you can make the right choice depending on your purpose. What is the purpose of telling or asking or denying for something? It is very important to know, so that we can know the function of each type of sentence, and we should know the function so that we can make the right choice, and which should be depend on our purpose. Okay, जो हमारा purpose होगा उसके according हम उसकी right choice कर पाएंगे. Now come to the types of sentences which are affirmative, negative and interrogative. Okay. First of all, come to affirmative. Okay, an affirmative word, phrase or sentence express the validity or truth of a basic assertion. Okay, affirmative is also called assertive sentence. ठीक है, ये आपको I hope that you all know this. कि affirmative sentence और assertive sentence, they both are positive sentences. Assertive sentences में हम बात अपनी किसी तक पहुंचाते हैं, किसी को अपने बारे में बताते हैं. Okay, मुझे आम पसंद है. I like mangoes. Okay, this is called the assertive sentence. Assertive sentence in which we want to inform someone about something. Okay. So affirmative is also called positive and assertive sentence. The validity or truth of a basic assertion means the validity of the truth. It shows the validity of the truth. Okay. Affirmative means a positive answer. An example of an affirmative sentence statement is answering a question with the word yes. Okay, affirmative sentences are the positive sentences, and an example of affirmative sentence is that in which you answer yes. Affirmative is defined as something that confirms the truth, Okay, for the confirmation of truth, it is also used. The word affirmative is an adjective. Okay, it is the quality of the sentence, so it is called adjective. Okay. Now, can anybody give me the affirmative sentence? Any affirmative sentence? Yes, raise your hand if you want to reply me for the affirmative sentence. Yes, Sahar Nadeem, can you give me the answer of affirmative sentence? Any affirmative sentence which is the positive sentence for the confirmation of truth. जो simple हमारा sentence होता है. Yes, Abil Hassan.
Miss,
P. Yes,
what is the question?
I'm asking any type
Miss,
of.
मॉक में कौन-कौन से चैप्टर आ रहे हैं?
Wait just a second. I'm just asking the question first. Yes, Abil. Give me an affirmative sentence of your own choice. कोई भी affirmative sentence जो simple sentence हो, positive sentence हो, और which is used for the confirmation of truth. जो confirmation of truth के लिए use किया जाता हो. Abil Hassan, can you please unmute the mic? Yes.
Yes, Miss. Miss, वो जो आज मॉक
No, not अभी मैंने not नहीं पढ़ाया. I'm just asking a positive sentence, simple sentence जिसमें not ना हो, जिसमें question ना हो, कोई बात बताई जा रही हो.
No, Miss, mock. MOC mock.
I'm not telling you something about the mock right now. I'm just asking the question that give me an affirmative sentence. Mock के बारे में I told you that I'll give you the explanation और जो भी आपके related questions हैं वो मैं उसको आपको last of 10 minutes of this lecture आपको वहाँ explain करूँगी. ठीक है? अभी आप मुझे एक affirmative sentence बताइए. Yes, Sahar Nadeem. अच्छा, okay, Munazza Javed, can you give me an affirmative sentence?
Yes.
Yes.
I am drinking.
Sorry, I am drinking.
Yes.
हाँ, अच्छा, try to always speak or write a very clear and complete sentence. Okay, हमेशा कोशिश कीजिए complete sentence करिए, just like I am drinking water or I am drinking a cold drink. Okay, और I am drinking whatever you are drinking उसको complete form में कीजिए. Okay, subject, verb and object. कभी भी आप एग्जाम्पल दें या लिखें कॉपी में एज यू आर नाउ मूविंग टू क्लास 5. ओके, तो आपने हमेशा ये बात याद रखनी है. यू शुड रिमेंबर ऑल द टाइम दैट यू हैव टू गिव अ कंप्लीट सेंटेंस. ठीक है, आई एम ड्रिंकिंग, वेरी गुड, बट इट्स इनकम्प्लीट. ओके, आप उसको जब तक ऑब्जेक्ट अटैच नहीं करेंगे दैट व्हाट आर यू ड्रिंकिंग, इट्स नॉट कंप्लीट. कंप्लीट सेंटेंस इज व्हेन यू अटैच सब्जेक्ट, वर्ब एंड ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके ओके, और तहलीबा, यस, you want to give me an affirmative sentence?
Yes, Miss. I want to see television.
I want to see television. अच्छा, टेलीविजन को हम यूजुअली वॉच यूज करते हैं. ठीक है, जब भी हम कोई इंफॉर्मेटिव या कोई ऐसी चीज देखने की कोशिश करते हैं जिसके अंदर कोई एक इंफॉर्मेशन आ रही हो या कोई एंटरटेनमेंट वाली चीज है, तो वी ऑल यूजुअली यूज वॉच. ठीक है, आई वांट टू वॉच अ टेलीविजन, आई वांट टू वॉच अ कार्टून. ओके, सी हम अपनी नेकेड आई से जो देखते हैं ना नॉर्मली, उसके लिए हम सी यूज करते हैं. अदरवाइज हम थ्रू कैमरा इफ वी आर वाचिंग समथिंग तो हम उसके लिए वॉच यूज करते हैं. ओके, यस समीहा अहमद, गिव मी एन अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस. समीहा, कैन यू अनम्यूट द माइक? यस समीहा.
Yes. She works late at night. Yes, Miss.
Can you please
She
repeat?
works late at night.
She
works late at night.
Very good. She worked late at night. Okay, so these are the complete sentences which are having subject plus verb and object also. Very good, shabash. Now come to the next, which is negative sentences. While a negative sentence, negative form expresses its falsity. Okay, falsity means in which we denied for something, in which we use not. The sentence Joe is here would be an affirmative sentence. Okay, if we are telling someone that Joe is here, so we will use it is affirmative sentence. Okay, but when we deny for that, okay, when we deny for that, it will become the negative sentence. While Joe is not here would be a negative sentence. Okay, so it is clear that in negative sentences we use not. Okay, acha, not is not coming, it never comes alone. Before not we always use a helping verb. Okay, not हमेशा किसी ना किसी helping verb के साथ attach होकर आता है, which is you can say helping verbs actually are used. These are the verbs which help the others, ठीक है, which helps other parts of the sentences. ठीक है, या तो helping verb main verb को support कर रहा होगा, और it will be supporting the not over here like this. ठीक है, तो हम हमेशा not negatives में use करते हैं. Sometimes we use helping verbs, sometimes we have to attach the helping verbs. जैसे present indefinite में हम use करते हैं does not, do not. Okay, बट इन कंटिन्यूस टेंसेस इज एम आर ऑब्वियसली वहां पर मौजूद होता है, पहले से ऑलरेडी होता है, हम उसके साथ सिर्फ नॉट पुट करते हैं. बट सम टेंसेस आर एफर्मेटिव में हमारे पास हेल्पिंग वर्ड्स नहीं होते. वी हैव टू put them, we have to apply or we have to attach a helping verb with not over there. ठीक है, यहाँ तो is already मौजूद था, तो we have just put not. ठीक है, if the same sentence Joe is here is an affirmative sentence. Okay, because we are telling someone about Joe, that Joe is here. But if we are denying for that और उसकी falsity को express करने की कोशिश करेंगे, then we will use negative sentence and not over here. Joe is not here. Okay, would be a negative sentence. It describes something. Negative sentences are typically formed by adding the word not, okay, after the helping verb. Not हमेशा helping verb के साथ आता है, helping verb के बगैर नहीं आता. Okay, if the sentence or tense is not having helping verb in its affirmative sentence, so you have to use helping verb over there according to the tense. ठीक है, जैसे कि present indefinite की मैंने example दी है आपको, अगर वहां कोई helping verb मौजूद नहीं है, only main verb is present over there, तो आपने उसके helping verb को याद करके helping verb के साथ not को attach करना है. They will not come, not will not come separately or alone. ठीक है, उसके साथ helping verb का होना जरूरी है. Yes. Who can give me the reply of negative sentence? Any 2-3 students, I want from your side negative sentences. Samiha, I am not playing hide and seek. Very good. Yes, Abil, I am, yeah. Just unmute your mic and give me the reply of negative sentence.
I am not drinking water.
Very good. I am not painting. That's a very nice sentence of negative one. Okay, yes, Milhan Shahid, you are raising the hand. Can you give me the sentence of negative form?
I am not eating ice cream.
A bit louder. I can't hear you.
I am not eating ice cream.
Very good. I am not eating ice cream. Why you are not eating ice cream? It's very hot today, है ना? We are having hot days nowadays, so we should eat the ice cream. Okay, yes, Manha Azhar.
You are not taking your virtual classes.
Very good. You are not taking the virtual classes. Yes. Or Sahar Nadeem. Yes. Sahar Nadeem, you are ready? Yes.
I am not drinking the tea.
I am not drinking the tea. Very good. Yes, Daliba.
Miss, I don't want to drink cold drink.
Very nice. Don't, does, इसको भी use कीजिए. They are also the helping verbs of indefinite tense. Very nice. She has used don't over here. This is called the negative sentence. Yes, Rumisa.
Miss, I don't want to eat noodles.
I don't want to eat noodles. Very nice. So these are some negative sentences which we have made by adding not and helping verbs over there. Okay, so it is clear to you all that not will not come alone in the sentence. It will always be in the sentence with the helping verbs. ठीक है, कभी भी helping verbs के बगैर हम not use नहीं कर सकते. Okay, now come to the third type of sentence, which is interrogative sentence. Okay, अच्छा. An interrogative sentence asks a direct question. Okay, interrogative means the question sentences and is punctuated at the end with a question mark. Okay, because if you are not putting this punctuation mark, question mark at the end of the question, then it will be a grammatical mistake. Okay, speaking में तो obviously हमें question mark बोलना नहीं पड़ता, ना हमें उसको show करना है. But if you are writing, so you have to use this function, this punctuation according to your purpose. Okay, अगर आपका purpose है किसी question asking का, तो you have to write the question in the right structure form, plus you have to add at the end the punctuation of question, which is question mark. Okay, it is one of the 4 basic types of sentences. Okay, and it's a highly useful one. हम बहुत दफा क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करते हैं. अगेन 4 बेसिक टाइप्स आर रिटन ओवर हियर बिकॉज द फोर्थ वन इज इंट्रो नेगेटिव. ओके, आप उसको कंसीडर मत कीजिएगा. It is the highly useful one because we on and off ask so many questions with the people. Okay, and interrogative sentences allow you to gather information and clear up confusion as well as engage in interesting conversation with others. Okay, when we are asking so many questions, it means we are collecting the information. Okay, it helps us or allow us to collect the information to clear up the confusion, means to for the confirmation of something. Okay, हम for the confirmation of something भी interrogative questions को use करते हैं, interrogative sentences को use करते हैं. Plus we need information or extra knowledge, then we also ask the interrogative sentences. And to engage in interesting कॉन्वर्जेशन विद अदर्स, जब हम दूसरों के साथ उनकी लाइक्स और डिसलाइक्स, नोस और डोंट्स सब पूछते हैं या आस्किंग क्वेश्चंस करते हैं, तो वी गेट एंगेज इन इंटरेस्टिंग कॉन्वर्जेशन विद द अदर पीपल. ओके, वो भी आपसे कुछ क्वेश्चन कर रहा है, आप भी उससे कुछ क्वेश्चन कर रहे हो. यू आर हैविंग अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग कॉन्वर्जेशन विद ईच अदर इन विच यू टेल पीपल अबाउट योर ओन सेल्फ. ओके, आपकी लाइक्स और डिसलाइक्स या आपकी हैबिट्स के बारे में बताते हैं आप. ओके, तो दिस इज द वेरी यूजफुल टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंस which is very important, which increases our knowledge, it increases our information, it also clear up our confusions, and it is also a useful type of sentence which get us engaged in interesting conversation with others. Okay, so this is the third type of types of sentences. Now I need some examples also. Okay, फिर हम यहाँ आगे स्विच करेंगे. I need some examples from you all. Yes, Samiha, where are you going? It's a very good interrogative sentence. Very nice. Yes. Munasa,
Why?
yes. Can you give me the reply?
Yes, miss. Why are you drinking a tea? A tea.
So why are you drinking a tea? Very nice. And who else is going to give me the next interrogative sentence? Yes, Manha Azhar. Try to use helping verbs. Okay, why or where, which, what, इन सब को छोड़ के आप tenses के according जो helping verbs जैसे do or does, is, am, are, इनको use कीजिए.
What's your name?
Sorry.
What is your name?
What is your name? My name is Sitra. You all know this, है ना? Okay. Yes. Who is going to use helping verbs of tenses? जैसे आपके present indefinite, past indefinite के sentences बनते हैं, negatives बनते हैं, interrogatives बनते हैं. Try to use all those ताकि आपकी practice भी हो. Yes, Ramisa.
Yes, miss. Where are you going?
Where are you going? Samiha has already made this sentence. अच्छा, give me a reply of I am giving
Yes.
a sentence. ठीक है, और फिर hand raise कीजिएगा. Kindly everybody put down your hands. Put down
Miss?
your hand. Yes.
Do you have my pencil?
Very nice. Do you have my pencil? This is the right answer, or this is the right sentence which I wanted. Very good.
Yeah.
Yes, Munazza.
Have you done your homework?
Sorry, have you?
Have you done your homework?
Very good. Have you done your homework? वैसे आपने perfect use नहीं किए हुए, but it's okay.
Miss,
Hmm?
web में पाकिस्तान. Apple.
Sorry.
Miss,
Am I eating an apple?
Okay, okay. Why do people are?
Miss, can I tell?
Okay, fine. हाँ बताइए.
Why won't you skip? Why won't you do your homework?
Very good. Why didn't you do your homework? Okay, तुमने अपना homework क्यों नहीं किया? Very nice. Okay. Yes. Apeel Hassan, have you replied me? Have you given me the answer of interrogative sentence?
Interrogative.
Apeel, do you have another sentence? Yes, Amar, can you give me the answer of any interrogative sentence? Amar, can you please unmute the mic? Okay, Milhan Shahid.
Am I eating ice cream?
Very good. Am I eating ice cream? आप पूछ रही हैं? चलें, okay जी. अच्छा, now we should move forward so that we should complete the lecture first. उसके बाद फिर मैंने आपको mock के बारे में भी थोड़ी सी explanation देनी है. Okay. Now, come here at this slide. ठीक है? अच्छा, इसमें क्या है? Negative and interrogative sentences. Okay, this is the summarized form of the negative and interrogative sentences. Yes, as their name implies, negative interrogative sentences sometimes called intronegative. Okay, what I was telling you that the fourth form of intronegative. Okay, these are the mixture of two type of sentences. These are negative and interrogative. क्या तुमने आइसक्रीम नहीं खाई थी? I am asking the negative plus interrogative sentence. Okay, these are called intronegative sentences. Intronegative sentences that are made negative. Okay, they are the question, but they are made negatively. As with all negative sentences, we generally form the negative interrogative by adding the word not. ठीक है, हम negative are the sentences in which we use not with the helping verb. Interrogative are the sentences which are the question sentences which starts with the helping verbs and ends at the question mark. ठीक है. But intronegative sentences are actually the mixture, the combination of negative and interrogative sentences, and these are the question sentences which are made with not. Okay, that are made negative. So these are called interrogative sentences. Now I want some examples from your side of intronegative sentences. Yes, Mehdi, you have raised the hand after a long time. जब से कहाँ थे आप? I have asked all type of sentences and now you are here. Yes. Can you give me
teacher.
the negative sentence? Yes.
Am I not eating an ice cream?
Very good. Am I not eating an ice cream? Very nice. Very good. और इसके अलावा yes, Taliba.
Yes, miss. Are you not going to school?
Very good. Very good. Very nice. Shabash. Are you not going to school? अच्छा, whenever you are using intronegative और interrogative sentences, तो बोलने के बाद end में question mark जरूर अपने मुंह से बोला कीजिए. ठीक है? Just like are you not going to school? Question mark. इससे क्या होगा? When you will be writing in the papers, okay, तो आपको question mark put करना याद रहेगा हमेशा. Clear? When you will be habitual of speaking or using punctuation mark name of question. ठीक है, जब आप question mark बोलना सीखेंगे ना, बोलने की आदत डाल लेंगे, so it will become your habit to write also. After writing the question, you will ultimately or automatically you will be writing question mark over there. ठीक है, आप वो punctuation लाजमी यूज करेंगे. तो try to speak when you are asking the question, तो try to put at the end question mark with your mouth. अपने mouth से बोलिए उसको कि question mark. Am I not eating ice cream? Question mark. ठीक है, आप बोलने की आदत डालेंगे तो आपको लिखने की भी आदत हो जाएगी. Yes, Abil Hassan, are you going to give me any intro negative sentence? Unmute the mic. Yes.
Yes, miss.
But I can't hear you, Abil. Maybe your mic is having some problem. थोड़ा सा loud बोलिए.
I am not go. Will you go?
Will you not go?
Your school?
Will you not go to school tomorrow? Question mark over there. ठीक है.
Yes.
Will आप helping verb के तौर पे use कर रहे हैं तो will के बाद don't या does तो आएगा ही नहीं. Okay, will is actual the helping verb of future sentence and you are using it before or at the first of the sentence because it's a question sentence. ठीक है, तो फिर आप इसके साथ do or does use नहीं करेंगे. Will you not go to school tomorrow? Question mark. ठीक है. अच्छा मनहा अजहर, I am taking the last question. Then फिर मैं आपको मॉक के बारे में कुछ थोड़ी सी इंफॉर्मेशन दूंगी. Yes.
Are you not going to party today?
Are you not going to? Are you not going to? Actually, okay. If you have, it's half also complete. अगर half भी है तब भी it's okay. So it means you are now in the practice of using all types of sentences: affirmative, negative, and interrogative, and intro negative also. Although intro negative is not included in your syllabus, okay, it will not be coming in the paper. But थोड़ी सी know how होनी चाहिए थी आपको. That's why I have given it. अच्छा, now somebody was asking me about the mock paper. Mock paper आपके क्या है? Actually mock papers are the practice papers of your final exam as you are giving as you are going to give first time the virtual online final papers. ठीक है, हमेशा तो physically होते हैं. So you have to be very careful about this. Okay, so that's why maybe some people are having some questions about related to the mock papers. Okay. Acha. What are the mock? Actually, mock papers are these are the practice paper for you all. ठीक है, आपके लिए एक प्रैक्टिस पेपर है because you are going to give the first time the virtual online virtual final papers. ठीक है, तो आपकी एक प्रैक्टिस है. How you will be having this practice as your mock will be uploaded today after the classes. ठीक है, आपके लिटरेचर का आज mock है तो आपने क्या उसमें केयरफुल रहना है that you are having 3 or 5. Just for example I am telling you. ठीक है, not necessary कि आपके पेपर में 3 ही फॉर्म्स में 3 ही क्वेश्चन हो, मे बी 5 भी हो सकते हैं. ठीक है, suppose you are having 3 questions in your form. ठीक है, this mock is consist of different or 2, 3, 4, 5 फॉर्म्स में भी आपका ये कंप्लीट हो सकता है. ठीक है, तो मे बी टीचर ने आपकी 2 बनाए हो, 3 बनाए हो. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द इंग्लिश ओनली, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द ऑल सब्जेक्ट्स. ठीक है, मे बी आपकी टीचर ने 2 फॉर्म्स पे आपका मॉक बनाया हो, 3 फॉर्म्स बनाया हो, 4 फॉर्म्स पे बनाया हो. ठीक है, तो हाउ यू विल कंडक्ट दैट, how you will solve these forms? You will be online at the given time. ठीक है, maybe 12:30 है या 1:30 है और 1 PM है, whatever is the time, you have to be very active in the Google Classroom. You have to be online at that time. आपका टाइम स्टार्ट होता है सपोज 1 बजे आपका टाइम स्टार्ट होता है. ओके, तो you have, it will be automatically posted in the Google Classroom at 1 o'clock. वो 1 o'clock पे आपके पास लिंक आ जाएगा या शेड्यूल हुआ होगा तो वो पोस्ट हो जाएगा आपके क्लासरूम पे. ओके, आप जब उसको क्लासरूम से ऑन करेंगे, यू हैव टू सॉल्व दैट फॉर्म in 5 minutes. Suppose the time is given to you 5 minutes for 5 questions, or for 3 questions time is given to you 6 minutes, 7 minutes, 8 minutes, whatever is the timing is given to you. आपकी वहाँ हर चीज मेंशन होगी. that form A total marks 3, question 3, time duration is 6. ठीक है, हर क्वेश्चन के डबल आपको मिनट्स दे दिए गए हैं, तो आपने वो 6 मिनट्स के अंदर अंदर उसको कंप्लीट कर लेना है because after 6 minutes the responses will be stopped to acceptance. ठीक है, उसकी जो एक्सेप्टेंस ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सेज होगी वो स्टॉप कर दिए जाएंगे बाय द टीचर. ओके, एंड जस्ट आफ्टर 2 मिनट्स आपका दूसरा फॉर्म अपलोड हो जाएगा. क्लियर? जैसे आप ऑब्जेक्टिव देते हैं ना फिजिकल में, आप ऑब्जेक्टिव देते हैं, आपसे ऑब्जेक्टिव पेपर ले लिया जाता है. ओके, उसको सिलेक्ट गैदर करके रख लिया जाता है टीचर के हाथ से, देन फिर आपको सब्जेक्टिव पेपर दिया जाता है. सिमिलरली यू विल बी हैविंग फर्स्ट फॉर्म फॉर द लिमिटेड टाइम पीरियड, और फिर जब आप उसको अटेम्प्ट करके पोस्ट कर देंगे उसके बाद 2 या 3 मिनट का गैप आएगा. उस 2-3 मिनट के बाद ओके, सपोज 1 बजे फॉर्म अपलोड हुआ है, 1:05 तक उसका टाइमिंग है. आफ्टर 2 मिनट्स मीन्स 1:07 पर 7 मिनट्स पास्ट 1 o'clock फिर आपको दूसरा फॉर्म अपलोड कर दिया जाएगा. ओके, फिर आप दूसरा फॉर्म अटेम्प्ट करेंगे, वो भी अपने लिमिटेड टाइम पर, उसकी भी रिस्पॉन्सेज को क्लोज कर दिया जाएगा, स्टॉप कर दिया जाएगा. ओके, आफ्टर 5 मिनट सपोज 1:07 पे 1:17 पे वो अपलोड हुआ है, तो इट विल द एक्सेप्टेंस ऑफ द रिस्पॉन्सेज विल बी स्टॉप एट 1:09. ठीक है, 1:09 पर उसके स्टॉप कर दिए जाएंगे रिस्पॉन्सेज. देन आफ्टर 2 मिनट्स 1:09 पर आपका थर्ड फॉर्म स्टार्ट होगा. तो आफ्टर ईच फॉर्म यू विल बी हैविंग 2 और 3 मिनट्स गैप. ठीक है, आपको 2 से 3 मिनट का गैप दिया जाएगा और फिर नेक्स्ट फॉर्म आपका अपलोड किया जाएगा. और ईच फॉर्म विल बी हैविंग लिमिटेड टाइम पीरियड, लिमिटेड क्वेश्चंस, लिमिटेड मार्क्स. ठीक है, अच्छा, मे बी यू आर गोइंग टू आस्क समथिंग.
यस टीचर, ये जो हमारा कल मॉक टेस्ट है इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज का, इसमें हम मिड टर्म से प्रैक्टिस करेंगे या फाइनल टर्म से?
लैंग्वेज के सिलेक्टेड टॉपिक्स आएंगे. आई एम गोइंग टू पुट टुडे द होमवर्क फॉर टुमारोज मॉक. ठीक है, मैं टुमारोज मॉक के लिए आज होमवर्क आपका अपलोड करूंगी आफ्टर अपलोडिंग द वीडियो ऑफ दिस रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर. ठीक है, इस रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर के साथ साथ मैं आपको कल के लिए होमवर्क भी दे रही हूँ, उसकी प्रैक्टिस, वो सेलेक्टेड टॉपिक्स की प्रैक्टिस कीजिएगा आप. ठीक है, सपोज आई एम गिविंग यू पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच और मैं आपको टेंसेस दे रही हूँ सपोज. ठीक है, अभी आप सिर्फ सपोज कीजिए, मैंने अभी आपको होमवर्क दिया नहीं है, तो आप सिर्फ वही 2 टॉपिक्स प्रिपेयर करके कल का मॉक देंगे. ठीक है, और जो कल का मॉक बनेगा वो आपका इन्हीं 2 टॉपिक्स में से बनेगा, चाहे वो 3 फॉर्म्स हो, 4 फॉर्म्स हो या 2 फॉर्म्स हो. क्लियर? समझ में आ रही है मेरी बात?
ओके टीचर. यस टीचर.
ओके, और ये आपकी सिर्फ प्रैक्टिस है कि आप टाइम लिमिट के अंदर किस तरह अपने फाइनल पेपर को कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं. इसकी मार्किंग है, ऑब्वियसली मार्किंग्स आर देयर ऑन द फॉर्म, बट दीज मार्क्स आर नॉट इंक्लूडेड इन एनी पेपर. ये मार्क्स आपके किसी पेपर में या फाइनल पेपर में इंक्लूड नहीं होंगे. सो डोंट वरी अबाउट द मार्किंग. ये सिर्फ आपकी प्रैक्टिस के लिए कि आप किस तरह अपने टाइम को मैनेज करके, ओके, हाउ विल यू मैनेज द टाइम एंड हाउ विल यू रिप्लाई द क्वेश्चंस इन द लिमिटेड टाइम पीरियड. ठीक है, ये सिर्फ आपकी प्रैक्टिस के लिए कि आप उसको टाइम को मैनेज करें. यस उस्मान आबिद, आर यू गोइंग टू आस्क द क्वेश्चन? यस
टीचर, इसमें समरी वगैरह आएंगी?
नो बेटे, शॉर्ट आंसर्स, नथिंग यू हैव टू टाइप. ओके, आपने कुछ टाइप नहीं करना, यू हैव टू जस्ट सेलेक्ट द राइट आंसर्स. जैसे आपके एमसीक्यूज टाइप होते हैं ना, सिमिलर वैसा ही होगा जैसे आप क्विजेस और डिक्टेशंस और एमसी और एमटी और सीटीज देते आए हैं. ठीक है, सेम पैटर्न पे होगा, नथिंग विल बी चेंज. यस सहर नदीम, वी डोंट हैव टाइम, हाफ अ मिनट वी आर हैविंग. यस सहर नदीम, आर यू गोइंग टू आस्क समथिंग?
मिस, मैं आपसे पूछना चाह रही थी कि इंग्लिश लिटरेचर में कौन से चैप्टर्स आएंगे?
बेटे आपको टीचर ने बता दिया होगा ना कल. अच्छा, इंग्लिश लिटरेचर में सारे आएंगे, जितनी का भी रिवीजन कल करवाया है टीचर ने वो सब आएंगे. ठीक है, ओके, so we should leave now. Okay, we will meet inshallah in the next class. Allah Hafiz to you all. Take care of yourself and be prepared for the paper. Thank you.